Okay, now we've got decimals. All right, decimals. What I want you to do is I want you to do it without the decimal first. So you have 2.5 times 2.5. We're going to do 25 times 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. We have 10, 12. Then we put an X there. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Then you add those up. You have 625. Now, put the decimals in. Okay? So this is one place. This is two places. So you bring this in twice. The answer is 6.25. Not too hard. Okay? Like I say, just multiply and then worry about the decimals. The problem is when you get to division. If the problem is 1104 divided by 9.2. Now let's just do 1104 divided by 92. Okay? Remember, when we do division, I want you to think about little lines there. So, because places where it is important. 9 goes into 1? No. 92 goes into 11? No. 92 goes into 110 once. You have a 92. You subtract it. You get 18. Bring down the 4. 92 into 184 goes twice. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, you can do that. Now, look at this though. If, let's say there was a decimal right there, then we're going to bring that decimal point straight up, and it's going to be 0.12 instead of 12. Okay? But remember the problem? Our problem is 1104 divided by 9.2. So if that decimal is right there, what do we do? You know what? We can't divide with the decimal there. So I've got to move that decimal 1 point. If I move that once, if what I do on this side, I have to do on this side. So there's a decimal there. I have to put a 0 there and move it once. So instead of 12, I get 120. Okay, you got it? Now, I want you to do this one by yourself. Do the next one by yourself. Okay, so I have, is that right? 6.92 divided by 17.3. Okay, remember what I told you? I said if there's a decimal here, you have to move it. Okay, so I have to move that once. I'm going to move this once. I'm going to put a decimal right here between the 9 and the 2. Okay, I put a decimal right here. Now, how many times 173 go into 6? Nope. How many times 173 go into 69? Nope. How many times 173 go into 692? See the 3? How many? What can I multiply times 3 to get a 2? 4. 4 gives me 12, right? So let's try 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And then I carry 1. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 1 is 29. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. So there you go. So the answer is 0.4. Okay, you got that? You got it working with decimals? Now, we're going to talk about percentages.